Hey, so I've been talking about the Passaggio a little bit this week, and if you want to know more about that, then you can check out my video on the Passaggio area. But what I wanted to do was just give you another exercise that's going to be really great for developing the area of the Passaggio. Okay, so this one is going to be a little bit of a mixture of two exercises. It's going to have the lip trill in there because the lip trill relaxes the voice. So it's going to be really good to keep the voice nice and relaxed before we open up into a bub. So lip trill and bub. So let me show you how this one goes, and then you can give it a go and let me know how you get on. Bub, 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 bub. 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 You can continue on, keeping it nice and chilled, even though the lip trill's kind of doing that for you. Really using that B consonant on the lips. Good, bringing it all the way back down now. Keep it going because we just have a few more to go. That was the last one. All right, peace.